In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Drive on Windows 11. We'll turn the web version of Google Drive into a handy app that opens in its own window, just like a native program, so it's faster to launch and easier to keep on your taskbar. Start by opening your web browser on Windows 11. This works best in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome because they both support installing websites as apps. In the browser, type Google Drive login into the search bar and press enter. If you see several results, scroll until you find the official Google link that reads Google Drive, share files online with secure cloud storage, then click it. Always make sure you're on a Google page before you sign in. On the Drive landing page, click Sign In. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your Drive. If not, sign into your Google account as you normally would. Once your Drive opens, we're ready to install it as an app. Look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three dots to open the menu. Scroll through the menu options to find the section related to apps or save and share. The wording you see may vary slightly by browser and version, but you're looking for the option that lets you install the current page as an app. Select Install Page as App or the similarly named Install App option. A small pop-up window will appear showing the app name. You can leave it as Google Drive, then click Install. In just a moment, Windows will create the app and add it to your system. This gives you a clean, standalone window for Drive without the full browser interface. Now, head to your Windows home screen or the Start menu to find the new Google Drive app. It may appear in the recently added section or with your app list. To keep it one click away, right-click the app and choose Pin to Taskbar. That way, it's always available at the bottom of your screen. You can also open the Windows search bar, type Google Drive, and launch it from there anytime. That's it. You've installed Google Drive as a Windows app. From now on, opening Drive is faster, it looks cleaner, and it stays separate from your other browser tabs. If you ever need to manage or uninstall the app, you can do that from your browser's app settings or by right-clicking the app in Start. Thanks for watching, and enjoy quicker access to your files.